Hello, creative souls. Welcome back to our cozy craft corner. Today we are diving into something warm, rustic, and absolutely beautiful jute and burlap craft. Perfect for family time. These projects are simple, sustainable, and full of love. By the end of this video, you will discover how just a few strands of jute piece of burlap can transform your home into a peaceful, cozy space filled with handmade beauty and mindfulness. So grab your glue gun, your kids, and your imaginations, and let's start crafting together. So, lovely friends, jute up eco-friendly materials that bring warmth and natural beauty into any space. They have their perfect rustic farmhouse look, calming, earthy, and timeless. Crafting with jute is not just about decoration; it's about mindfulness. When you twist, knot, or wrap jute rope, you slow down, you feel the texture, the rhythm, and a peace in every move. It's perfect way to spend quality time with your kids, away from screen, creating something together that's fill your home with heart and happiness. Let's begin with one of the easiest and most charming ideas, jute wall hanging. You can use piece of old wood, a small branch, or even a wiring, wrap jute around it, hang mini ornaments, beads, small dried flowers, and little bells or fairy lights for that magical touch. This become a centerpiece for your living room or hallway, reminding everyone that beauty does not come from buying expensive decoration, it's come from creating it with love. Next, let's talk about table decoration. Take simple mason jar or old glass bottle, wrap them with jute twins or burlap cloth, add lace, small pine cones or buttons for extra details, insert candles, flower or fairy lights, and suddenly your dining table turns into a cozy candlelight dream space. You can even involve your kids by letting them paint little designs or add name tag for each family members. Now let's cozy up to your sitting area. Use old burlap fabrics to make cushion covers. Simply cut, stitch and glue the edges and decorate with your flowers or stencil. They give your sofa a rustic farmhouse feel. And if you want more organization, make burlap storage basket. You can reuse old boxes, cover them with burlap and tie jute balls. It's stylish, practical, and planet friendly. Crafting with jute and burlap is not just about the final piece, it's about the journey. Invite your friends, your children to help you measure, cut glue, and decorate. These little activities build patience, teamwork, and mindfulness. It's a beautiful way to teach creativity and sustainability, showing kids that recycling and crafting can be fun, peaceful, and rewarding. And while you craft, share stories, play calm music, and enjoy each moment together. That's the real cozy magic of crafting. Want to make your craft more special? Add seasonal decoration like red ribbon or Christmas shell for summer or dried flower for spring. These jute or burlap craft as also make wonderful handmade gift for birthday, holidays, your friends and family. So my dear lovely friend, if you like our videos, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and more video. I really very appreciate and thankful to you for your support, your kind support. I really need your kind support for growing my channel. You must visit my channel. There is lots of amazing project, DIY tutorials, step by step crafting ideas, especially for upcoming Christmas event. If you like, so please share with your friends and family. I will try to make in my every video how to make your home beautiful for Christmas. You can decorate your home for any event, your parties. I pray for you. God bless you all. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Love you all.